So today we're going to take a look at this ornamental drawing by Arinjoy Sen. The majority of the drawing is done by AI. I only drew the part on the right here, the line drawing. So if you head over to the interface and type the prompt, use image-to-image generation, and 9 out of 10 is going to fail. And the reason is that we're missing some hot girls. Not really, but the default stable diffusion model wasn't really trained on architectural drawing, and that's why it's not giving the result that we want. So this flat 2D animate and a merge model really helps because it has that outline effect. Anyway, so we download the model and put it in the model folder, and we go to Lexica and type ornamental pattern. Once you choose the one that you like, just copy the prompt and we can start generating. But before that, we need to also enable the control net extension, which is super important, and you can check enable and low VRM. Drag all line drawing in and we can start generating the image. So the canny model is going to transfer the line drawing into patches of color. Remember, we have the prompt here, right? Japanese Chinese style, full bleed background, intricate ornamental illustration, and let's go. It's actually not too bad. I mean, we could just leave it like this, and you can use the batch generation to generate hundreds of them. But remember, we're going for that ornamental effect, right? So how do we do that? Well, it turns out that we need some ornament texture. So I'm going to ask the machine to generate seamless texture based on this Google image. And if you choose the reference mode and also hit the tiling option here, and you can really generate seamless textures. I'm not even kidding. These are really seamless textures. And we go to Photoshop to bring them all together. First of all, we're going to create a frame around the floor plan, simple patches of color. Double click on the layer option to bring out the pattern overlay, and that's where it really shines. Look at that. These are really generated by the AI. I didn't model a single thing. And the rest of it is really simple. Just use magic wand to mask out different part. Remember to vary the scale and also the darkness to create different varieties. And I just think that it looks better in portrait. But anyway, Control Shift Alt E to merge all the layers together. And we can use camera raw filter to adjust the color. I'm going to tone down the orange and yellow to make it more consistent. And this is it. There you have it. And a lot of you have been asking me, oh, can I get this Photoshop file? Can I get that Grasshopper script? And what about all the full version of tutorials and videos that I've recorded? Recently, I've started my Patreon, so if you pay $5 a month, you'll get every resource that you need, full length of video tutorials. They're all there. Links in the description. Peace out.